Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you start it, the preheat. Next, you need half of a cup of melted butter, half a cup of white sugar, one egg, one-third of a cup of brown sugar, one-quarter of vanilla extract, one-quarter of a tbs of vanilla extract. Then you stir it. Now, you take 3/4 of a cup of flour, and then you take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then half of a teaspoon of salt. Next, you stir it. Now, you dump in all the chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. Now, you put 1 cup of oatmeal, next, you take a spoon and you stir it all together. Now, you take your pan, you put parchment paper over it unless you have a non-stick pan. You make balls half the size of your hand. And put them this far away as you can from each other. Now you make up to 8 balls of cookie dough. So after you've made your balls of cookie dough and your oven has beeped, then you open the oven, you put in the tray, and you set a timer for 8 to 12 minutes. Since the timer on the clock is about to ring, you put on your gloves, you open up your oven, and then you grab the cookies out of the oven. Now the cookies are done. You have to leave them for 5 to 10 minutes on the counter to cool, and then you take a knife, and if they stick to the pan, you can pry them off like this. So now that the cookies are finished cooking, if the bottom is dry like this, it means that they're finished.